Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukua and this is Kukuasinspiration. In this video, I will share with you the little knowledge I have learned about carrots. Yes, same carrots that you and I know. Same carrots we use in our salads, smoothies, soups, stews, for juice, porridges, etc. This is going to be in parts or series since carrots entails a lot. Ideally, this motivates, inspire, and help you in one way or the other, as they have helped me. Now, let's go straight into learning. The carrot, also known as Dacus carota, is a root vegetable claimed by many, including myself, to be the perfect health food. It is crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have a number of health benefits. Carrots contains 86 to 95% of water, and the edible portion consists of around 10% carbs. Carrot contains very little fats and protein. The carbs in carrot consist of starch and sugars, such as sucrose and glucose. This root vegetable comes in several colors, sizes, and shapes, all of which are great additions to a healthy diet. Do you know that there are different colors of carrots? Yes, we have yellow, white, orange, red, and purple carrots. Orange carrots, like this one, get their bright color from beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts into a vitamin A. We also have baby carrots, which are popular snack food. Two kinds of carrots are called baby carrots, which can be misleading. On one hand, are whole carrots harvested while still small. And one, on the other hand, are baby cut carrots, which are pieces from larger carrots that have been machine cut into the preferred sizes, then peeled, polished, and sometimes washed in small amounts of chlorine before packaging. There is a very little difference in nutrients between regular and baby carrots, and they should have the same health effects. In short, baby carrots are whole carrots harvested before they grow large, while baby cut carrots are pieces from larger carrots that have been machine cut, peeled, polished, and washed before packaging. Carrots are generally considered safe to eat, but may have adverse effects in some people. Additionally, eating too much carotene can cause your skin to become a very yellowish or orange, but this is harmless. In our next meeting, we will study the vitamins and minerals in carrots. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thanks for making time with me today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you all in my next video. Bye.